So any key decision maker in your market, we can just draw a virtual border around that building. And as they're entering that virtual border, we've got them and we can start serving ads to them. And then within those, let's say I'm targeting a large convention center, right? And they've got a chief engineer, they've got, it's the decision maker on site in case something, goes awry. I can not only target folks going in and out of that building, I can filter down by age, sex, economics, interest. We can go real deep with the targeting. So again, nothing new. I wanted to read you a list of some companies that use this on a regular basis. Toyota, BMW, Goodwill, Coach, Ulta Beauty, Timberland, American Red Cross, McDonald's. So again, nothing new. This is what Fortune 50, Fortune 100 companies have been doing for a couple of years now.